Hello everyone, we're here today with Mark Wilkinson at Home Connections. He's one of our home connectors in Beulaville, North Carolina. He's going to walk us through the Rockwell Uwharrie from Clayton Homes. Go ahead Mark, take it away.
Let's go check out the inside of the home. This beautiful home from Rockwell is 32 by 76 feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, with an option for 5 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. Here's our spacious kitchen, which includes a farmhouse sink, a double door fridge, dishwasher, and stove, which comes standard in all the homes. Here is our pantry that can also be ordered as a half bath. That would open up into the flex room located just off the kitchen. This spacious flex room can also be ordered as the 5th bedroom option. The 3 extra rooms are down on this side of the home, with the back door area and utility space here. Very nice 2nd bathroom. Full bath with his and her sinks. A very nice and spacious walk-in closet is available in all 3 of the extra rooms in the home. And here's the master bedroom. As you can see, there's no closet in the master bedroom because here in the master bathroom, you have his and her closets, his and her sinks, with a very nice tile walk-in shower located in the center of the bathroom. And right here in this corner, you have the option for a tub, a linen closet, or an empty space as you see here. This was a tour of the Rockwell Uwharrie, located in Beulaville, North Carolina. Contact our sales office and speak to one of our home connectors today about pricing information.